On Upwork, you can have multiple profiles. As you can see, I have the web design profile and I have the graphic design profile. And overall, I have the Upwork profile, which just means that that is my main profile. So for you to create these specialized portfolios, you have to go to portfolio settings, then you enter your password, and when you scroll down, you're going to find a section of specialized profiles. So once you click the profiles, you're given an option to edit the profiles. Now once you're under your profile, you can edit the name and other details. These settings can also be found on the far left where there is view portfolio. So there's the web design and there's also graphic design and there's the Upwork. You can just tap there and you can change all the details on your profile. So you can change the name of the title, you can change all the details regarding your portfolio. So I was just changing to demonstrate that you can change from expert digital marketer, from web developer, I can go to marketer if I want, and I can save that. So I'm going to show you how it's going to be viewed from an end of like a client is looking for you. So how are they going to see you when you have set two profiles? If I can search my name Chikondi and search for profiles, it will show me. So you can see I changed the name of my main profile to expert digital marketer. So when you click it, it's gonna show like all the profiles. There's a web design profile and there's the graphic design profile and there's the main profile, which is the expert digital marketer. So when you go down, you'll see all the skills that are attached to my profile, and that's how you create a specialized profile on Upwork. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll answer them. Thank you so much for watching.